Okay, today we are going to revise algebra. Okay, in algebra we have learned, okay, I have taught you already the how to factorize the given algebraic expression, okay, that we are going to revise here. Okay, Ridek, I am asking to Ridek, what is the first method, what is the first process, okay, that we have to apply while factorizing the given expression? Ridek? If there is given question to factorize, okay, if there is given question is there factorize, okay,
Hello?
if question is given factorize, okay, what will you do in first step? I'm asking you.
Check the common.
Okay, I
Take
was
the common.
okay, very good. I was asking to Ridek. Okay, others turn also will come. Okay, anyway, Ridek has also told correct. First method to factorize is to take common, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
if
sir.
there is given question like this, look here, a square
Yes,
b, I'm asking to Ridek, and next term is there is given suppose ab square. How you will factorize this algebraic expression, Ridek?
this one.
What is common here? What is common in both the terms? What is same?
Both, ma'am.
Both. What is common in
Sir,
both?
AB. Sir, AB.
AB.
Yes, AB.
AB.
Very good, very good. If you take AB common here, what is remaining now? Put
Yes,
in
sir.
bracket remaining. What is remaining from first?
2.
A.
A left, A.
Yeah.
Because it was A square from A square, A common go then. A square means A into A, okay? This A square means A into A, okay? If
Okay, sir. Okay,
A
sir.
common goes, then what is remaining there? A remains there. Plus, and
B.
here was also look here, A B square common. What is remaining here?
B.
Take,
B.
here is
B.
remaining B.
B. B. B.
Okay, you are right. This is B.
Yes, sir.
Like this, we have to factorize. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you look other also. Whenever I ask, please reply. Okay. Now I am going to ask to Eugene. What will you do to factorize this till, Eugene?
Sir?
How you will factorize this till 18x square y. Okay, when you factor this 18x square y plus 36x square y square.
36 or 3.
36. Okay, I am writing a 36. And minus 80xy cube. You tell. Eugene, you tell. What will be done here, okay, while factorizing this one? I am asking you, Eugene.
Okay, sir, wait. Sir,
Yes.
first 2 common.
Yes, 2 common. Very good. Next.
And X, Y.
Yes, xy also common.
Common.
Yes, then.
Sir, and bracket.
Bracket. What will you keep this bracket now? Tell them.
X. X.
From 18, what is remaining? 2 common gone, then what is remaining? 18 means 2 into 9.
Y. 9 square Y.
9
Plus.
is remaining there. 9 is remaining. And 1x also remaining. 1x also remaining,
Yes,
because
sir.
there was x square. X gone common, x left. And from 36, what is left now? Tell.
So 36.
Yeah, from 36, what is left?
18xy.
Good. 18, because 18 to the 36, no, then 18 remains here. And x, y also left. 1x left and 1 y left. And then next one, third term, from 80, if 2 common goes, what is remaining?
40. 40.
Very good, very good. 40. Then from x gonna come on nothing left. From y ki y gonna come on. Then what is left here?
Sir, y square.
You are
Cube.
absolutely right. You are y square is left. Y square is left there.
Oh yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Celine. This is the factorization. Okay. Now I am going to ask to reason. Reason. Hello, reason. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me that how you will factorize this question. The question is given like this. Look here. A into.
Sir, can we again find common?
Look, I am going to show you question first.
No, sir, in number two. Number two. There is two common again. Oh, no, no.
In 9, there is no 2, there is no 9. In 9, there is no 2 factor, okay? There is no commoner now.
Sir, if there was common, then again we have to take common.
If there is commoner, you can take common at once only, here only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you please tell how to factorize this question. I am asking to reason.
So that first one is A.
The first one is A. Everybody doing copy. Everybody doing copy. You do. Everybody doing copy. How you will factorize this reason? Here is y minus x. This is y minus x, eh?
Sir, first XY common.
First of all, I am asking to reason Dhamala.
Sir, XY common and left A, B, and first three.
No. First of all, look here. Here is x minus y. Here is x minus y. Here is y minus x. Are they same? They are not same. First of all, make them same. We can make same like this. Look here. Here should be x minus y. Okay. And here also it's okay. X minus y same. And I have told you before also. Now also I am going to tell. If you change, look here.
Minus y,
It will be 3
x
and it will be
minus
whatever.
y.
Here will be now x minus y. Okay. Changes, then
Yes,
there will
sir.
be minus sign there front. When y minus x is changed into x minus y, here should be minus. And this minus and this plus multiply, then it will be minus here. Now there is common, children. What is common now?
X minus y
Yeah, now x minus
into
y is
a
common.
minus b minus 3
There is a minus b minus 3.
Minus
This is another factor. This is the answer. Okay, children. This is the first exercise on how to take common. This I revised here. You understood this revision?
Yes, sir.
Hello, children. Look here. There are the. You can tell in group also, please. To take part in class activities. Tell your friends.
Can I tell?
Yeah, tell your friends also to join also. Okay. Okay. In revision time also there is so less number of students here. Yeah, this is the right time to that, wherever you have difficulties, you can share with me. Your sharing must be there. Okay, children? Please share your difficulties with me. This is the right time, okay? You can ask me, anytime, but this is the right time that, wherever you have difficulties, you can, ask your difficulties now. Okay, children? Can I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is question number 4. Look here. That we have learned already this one. How you will factor this lane? Look, I am giving you x to the power 4 minus 64. How you will factor this?
Sir, 4x minus 0.
First of all, we have to write solution. This is okay. This is solution. Before this, there is question. And we have to express them in square first. A square, this A means what is actually, do you know? Inside this bracket, what is that is A, x square whole square. And 64 means what is there? 8
is
8 square. Then can you tell what is in place of A here?
x
X square. Good. What is in place of B here?
8
8. Good. Then what should we write here now?
x square minus 8.
X square plus 8 first. You can add minus also, no problem. And one will be plus and will be minus. X square minus 8. These are the two factors. These are the two factors. Okay, Sren?
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me what are the factors of this question? Now I am asking these to Sahaj Lohia. Sahaj? Hello, Sahaj. You tell me how to factor this.
Sir, can we do x square
In this
minus
question,
4?
this 8 is not the square number. 8 is not the square number. We have to end here only. If here is the square number, then we have to open this again. Okay, Nevisa?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If it is in square number, then we can again open it in formula of a square minus b square. Sahaj Lohia, Sahaj. Sahaj is not speaking. I am asking to Ridham Karki. Ridham.
Sir,
Ridham, you tell how to factor this.
sir, at first we have to take the LCM of the 9 and taking into the formula a square minus b square.
What is A here?
So P.
P. Then what will be the number whose square is 9 here?
Sir, it could be
3.
3q whole square.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. 3q whole square. Good. Now, this is in the formula of a square minus b square. Then we have to write now
P
A
plus 3q
plus A plus B. What is B there?
The
3q.
answer will be P plus 3q, P minus 3q.
Very good. Very good. Who is telling this answer?
Maybe, sir, reason.
Okay, reason. You are telling correct answer. Have you understood, everybody? We have already learned, but we are doing revision here. Okay, children. Do you have any confusion in this type of question?
No, sir.
Okay, now look here. I am going to show you next question now. Okay, children, I am showing here next question. Okay, that was question number.
Sir, now 6.
Now it is 6 number. Okay. Now it is 6 number. Look how you will factorize the question given like this. Okay. To factorize. Nemisa, you look here now. You were telling that time to open. Now, how to factorize this a to the power 4 and b to the power 4? How to factorize it? I am asking to Nevisa.
A square bracket whole square minus b square
A
bracket
square
whole
bracket whole square minus b square bracket whole square, then applying the formula a square minus b square.
A square plus b square, a square minus b square.
Good. Then we are right. A square plus b square. Then next one you told a square minus b square. Again we can
A
remove
square
the formula.
plus b square, a plus b, a minus b.
Yeah, again you can remove this formula one, right? Here you write a square plus b square, and what will be next one here? A
A
square
plus B, A minus B.
a plus b, one factor, and another factor is here a minus b.
A minus.
Okay, Celine, you are telling correct. I am asking to Sarah now. Hello, Sarah, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am asking you how to factorize by breaking the middle term. How to factorize by breaking the middle term. This is the 7 number, right? Okay, Sarah.
Okay, sir.
You please tell me now how to factorize this. This we can do middle term break also, or we can do formula way also. Okay? We can factorize by using the formula also. How you will factorize here? Please tell me. You can do middle term break also, you can use formula also. Which one method you feel easy, you can do that. Tara, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Please tell. How to factorize this? If you don't know, don't worry, okay, I will do here. Do you know this?
I'm confused. Can you please tell?
Okay, first of all, I told that we can do by many ways this one, okay? I told 2 ways. We can use formula also, you can do middle term break also. And here you'll feel easy to use formula. First a square make, right? Last make their b square. B square means here c square. Okay, if you can express first in a square, last in b square, the middle there will be 2ab sign. 2 into a means what is here? A only here. And what is b in place of b there? In place of b is 3.
3.
Yes, this is
3.
2ab. Look, this is in one formula now. Look here.
A plus 3 whole square.
A square minus 2ab plus b square means which formula? A minus b. Here is minus sign, that's why it will be minus. If here is plus, it will be also plus. A minus b. B means what is there? B means there 3.
Minus 3 whole square.
A minus 3 whole square, right?
Minus 3
And
into A minus 3.
A minus 3 whole square means what will be? A minus 3 into A minus 3. There are the two factors. Sarah, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving you to factorize similar question.
Sir, can you tell again that first number one?
This
7
number. First, we have to express in a square here. First, this a square. Okay, this one. Okay, where? And this last one also we can express in square. Look here. This also, if you can express in square, express them in square. Then middle term we have to write that 2ab. 2 comes from formula, and a means this first bracket one is a. First bracket one is this a, and this second last one bracket is b. And we have to check whether this multiply gives this multiply. Okay, when you multiply this, it gives 6a or not? It gives 6a or not? If it gives 6a,
Yes,
then
sir.
yeah, if it gives 6a, then it is in formula form. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. A means a here, but in place of b there is 3. A minus b whole square means a minus 3 whole square here. And then we have to write a minus 3 2 times here.
Okay, sir.
These are the two factors of this question. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Now I am again asking to Sarah. I think Sarah has understood now. Have you understood, Nanu? Hello, Sarah. Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is Sarah? Okay, I am asking to again Eugene. Eugene, how you will factor this,
Yes,
please
sir.
tell. How you will factor this?
Sir, question.
If there is given here y square, okay, plus 8y, okay, plus 16. How will factorize it? You apply the
Sir,
same
I
rule.
will do an. Okay. Sir, I will do and tell you.
Okay, you do and tell. Similar process you can apply and do it. Because we can express this first term in square and last term also we can express in square.
Sir, I've got the answer.
You have got?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for Eugene. Aditi, are you understanding? Eugene, have you got the answer?
Sir, in my middle term is 16. 2 into 8.
No, 28. Okay, now.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, please tell. Srish, you tell. What will you do first? Hello, Srish. Here will be y square. Okay, Navisa, you tell now.
Y square plus 2 into y into 4 plus 4
4
square.
square.
Y
2
plus 4
into
square.
y. Y means A there and B means there 4. And check whether this product gives that or not. Okay. Does it give 8y? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then what
Y
we have?
plus
I
x
do
square.
8 square. 8 plus 8 is
4 4s are 16 it will be. No 8 8s are okay. Eugene. 4 4s are
Okay, sir.
16. Now y plus 4
Y
whole
plus
square.
4 and y into y.
That means y plus 4 and y plus 4. These are the two factors.
Sir,
Y
I've done
plus.
by another method also. Middle term breakdown.
You can do middle term break also. Okay. Navisa, you can do that way also.
Okay. Sir, I've done by both methods.
Okay, both of them will be correct. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now I am going to show you to do next one. Okay, children, look here. How to factorize by middle term break. I am going to show you the question number 9. Okay, children. Is your revision going on nicely or not?
Yes, sir.
I am asking you now how to do the middle term break. Okay, children, share. This was which number? 9 and 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am asking you how you will do the middle term break of this type of question. Tell, children. One is given there x square minus x. What is the coefficient of middle term?
1.
Good, very
1.
good. Very good. If there is nothing, there will be 1. Okay, let's do this. And after this, okay, I am giving you to factorize this one. Y power 4 okay minus 8y square plus 16. We did it already or hello
Before
children?
question there was y square.
Y square in
This-
last question.
10 number type question we did or not?
Sir, we did what y square.
Where
And
was
8.
okay?
Sir,
Okay.
in y.
Here we can do okay. How to do middle term breakdown? Then look there. First question, what will be there, children? How to factorize it by? Here will be here x square, okay? X square minus. Here what will be there, children? 6 minus 5. Because 6 5s are 30 and 6 minus 5 is 1. And here will be x only, right? And here write 30. Okay, children. Now what will you do here? Open the bracket. X square minus 6x.
6x
Okay.
plus
And this
5x.
and this and multiply. Most of the students they do mistake here. Minus here will be plus. When you remove the bracket, don't forget to multiply by sign. Minus 30. Right? How many terms are there now? 4 terms. Now let's take common. Okay, x common here. Okay, children. Then what
X
is the remaining?
minus 6
X minus 6 here. Then what is the
plus
common?
5x minus 6.
Yes, here is 5 common. Here also left x minus 6. You are absolutely right. Now, what is common children here now? X minus 6
X
common.
6
X minus-
plus x minus
Another
5.
factor is x plus 5. Can you tell children what are the two factors here? One factor is what? X minus 6. Another factor is x
X
plus
plus 5.
5. X plus 5 is another factor. You are absolutely right. Okay, children. Now, how to factor this one, 10th number? We have to do this. Middle term break. Or you can do the formula method also. You can do middle term break also. Right? Can you do? Because 4 4s are 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. And here is y square. Okay, because look here. Because this is minus, okay, this minus, look at this minus, this plus, then it will be, here will be plus sign over. This one 4 plus 4. And plus 16 here. Okay, remove the bracket. Y power 4 minus, what will be here? 4y square. Here also minus 4y square, open the bracket. And plus 16. Hello children, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Y square.
Y square common. What is left here?
Y square
minus 4. Next.
Minus
4
4.
common. Here also left y square minus 4. Is there any confusion here?
No, sir. Minus 4.
What is common now? Y square minus 4. Right? And next one also y square minus 4. Still we can open cylinder. You know what can we do? We can do like this, look here. Y square minus 2 square we can do.
2 square.
Right? Y square minus 2 square.
Y plus 2y minus 2.
Good. This also, next also there is y square minus 2 square. 2 times there is same. Okay. Then what will be here? Y plus 2, 1 factor. Another factor is y minus 2. And there is another factor also. Y plus 2 also one factor. And next also there is y minus 2. There are how many factors, children? There are 4 factors. Have you understood?
Sir, but I have got only 2 factors while I did by using formula.
By using formula also there will come 4 factors. Okay, children?
Sir, at third step there will be y square minus 4.
Yes, look at third step here.
No, sir, by using formula, third step y square minus 4.
No, that both the method answer will come same. No, both method answer will come same. Do you have any confusion in this solution? Do you have any confusion? Like this, we have to factorize. Okay. Now I am forwarding. Okay. There is so less time. That's why I want to revise just one question now. Okay, children.
Sir,
Hello?
time for exam is what? Sir, to do.
You have got the routine already. There is mentioned time, and I am telling you, children, please. Okay, I am telling you have to start submitting at least 25 to 30 minutes before, because half an hour given more time there. In that time, you have to submit one. Okay, go on submitting. You will start submission. Okay, and there will be no problem in this exam, because last exam also everybody had submitted. Just only one student, Riddhik, did not submit. Okay, I hope this time Riddhik also will submit within the time. Okay, Riddhik?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Everybody will submit the answer sheet in time, and I just told you will have the 25 to 30 minutes extra time there. That's why you have to start submitting the answers. Okay, before the exam in that will half an hour. Keep the half an hour time. Okay, now I want to ask you children one formula here. What is the formula that we have used in factorization in this a square plus b square? We have its 2 formula. Do you know what are they? While we did factorization, we used here 2 formula of this one. Oh, this is not the factorization one. We will find out the values one. When you find the value, it depends on the given one. A plus b whole square one formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay. And next one, what is there? Next one formula is what there? If inside the bracket there is minus, then outside will be here plus 2ab. Outside will be plus. These are the 2 formula that we use in finding the values. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
And remaining questions then we are going to revise on the next period now. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
You please keep on practicing, okay, revising all the lesson that I have taught you. Revise them. Revise them, okay, nicely. And bye-bye all of you today. And we'll meet on next period now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye all of you.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye, children. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Keep practicing mathematics.